Hi, my name's Ceri Bygrave. I'm a consultant haematologist from UHW Cardiff, and I'm here to talk to you about HaemBase Cymru. So HaemBase Cymru is a dynamic, innovative and groundbreaking project designed to improve the quality of data capture around all our patients with haematological malignancies in Wales. We know that accurate, precise, real-time data is essential for good clinical practice in order to make the best treatment decisions, in order to inform patients and empower them regarding their disease, and in order to make most prudent use of our precious resources. HaemBase Cymru will deliver a truly national system harnessing the power of the Welsh Clinical Portal. It is a digital electronic patient record to track care from diagnosis to death and allow multiple feed-in points throughout the clinical journey. It will enable us to analyse data across all our patients in Wales, looking at rates of survival, looking at response to treatment, quality of life, and how the complex interplay of comorbidity affects patient outcomes and gives us meaningful data about what it is to have a haematological malignancy in Wales. We hope that through the launch of this project, you'll join us in implementing the technology in your place of work. Feel free to engage at any point and ask any questions in order to smooth the transition from the paper age to the truly digital age.